Hi, my name is Cassie Murphy, and I'm here today to inform you of the exchange program that I took part in. In the summer of 2008, I traveled to Germany with 16 of my classmates along with our professor. We participated in a program called GAPP, German American Partnership Program. This program connected us with host families in Germany along with schools in Germany. This program was unique because we not only traveled through Germany, but we also had experience in the classroom. We were partnered in our American groups and assigned different topics to research, and then once we researched them in Germany, we presented them to the class. Me and my partner researched American food, and we gave the presentation in class with our host families. Another part of the educational aspects of our trip was we were all assigned in the same groups to research one of the landmark destinations that we would be visiting while in Germany. Our group had Dachau. The next thing that I would like to talk about is the places that we visited. This is a collage of some of the places that I visited, put together by Laura Waldvogel, and I will talk a little bit about each of them. Berlin was the hub of our city because that's where our host families lived and went to school. Some of the places that we visited in Berlin were the Reichstag, which is at the top. I'll bring this back again so you guys can see it. The Fernsehturm, which is the TV tower in Berlin. It's the tallest point in Berlin. You can take an elevator all the way up to the top. Some of the other places that we visited were, of course, the famous Berlin Wall. We took day trips with our professor all around town, and we also were allowed to explore on our own. One of the other places that we visited was Munich, and once there we took a train trip up into the German Alps, and once up there you could walk across the platform to where there was, you could walk across the border into Austria. So we not only went to Germany, we went to Austria. Also, while in Munich, we were able to see the Glockenspiel, which is right here. I'll show it to you again. There's a picture of me here in the Austrian Alps. The next trip that we took was to the Baltic Sea. We spent a weekend up there in a youth hostel. It was about 15 miles from the coast of the Baltic Sea, and we rented bikes from the hostel and biked to the coast, and then spent the afternoon there, and then biked back. And it almost stormed on us on the way back. It started raining about 10 minutes away from the hostel. The next place that we visited that was in Munich was, of course, Dachau, was the concentration camp that me and my partner researched. I think it's one thing to be able to see everything that happened in a movie or read it in a book, but it's a whole other thing to actually be there in person and to see exactly what the people had to endure. It was a really heart-wrenching experience. All in all, I would like to say that this experience has changed my life, and I'm glad that you guys could listen to me today. Thanks. So I'd like to show you some pictures. This one right here is the Reichstag. This one over here is me in the Alps, and so is this one. This one is the TV tower. This is the Glockenspiel. And these two pictures are from the Baltic Sea, and the rest are just some other nice trips around the city. Thanks.